Good morning, students. We are starting with the problems in the third lesson. That is unchanging relations. The question is add to a number 2 more than the number. Take the number as x. Then 2 added to this number, and we have to add these two numbers. So the number is taken as x. 2 added to the same number, you will get x plus 2. Then you have to take the sum of these two numbers. Sum of x plus 2. This you can write as x plus 2. So x plus x is how much? The variables are added, so it is 2x. X plus x is 2x. 2x plus 2. In this one, you can see here 2x is there, here 2 is there. So we can take 2 as common. So 2 into x plus 2 into 1, it is 2. So 2 into x plus 1 is the answer. So take x as the number. Next you have to do 2 should be added with x. So you got x plus 2. Then you have to take the sum of these two numbers. So x plus 2. Then if you remove the bracket, you get x plus 2. X plus x is 2x plus 2. Then from these two, you have to take 2 as common. So 2 into x plus 2 into 1. We got 2 into x plus 1. Next one, add 1 to a number and subtract 2. From a number, we have to add 1, then we have to subtract 2. So take number as x, then add 1 to a number. So 1 is added to this number, we will get x plus 1. Next, from this we have to subtract 2. So x plus 1 is the number, and from this we have to subtract 2. So if you remove the bracket, x plus 1 minus 2 will get, that is x plus 1 minus 2. We have to find out 1 minus 2 means it is minus 1. You have to subtract from bigger number to smaller number, and you have to add the sign of the bigger number. Here the bigger number, the sign is minus, so you have to write the minus there. So should be written like this. Subtract from bigger number to smaller number, then keep the sign of the bigger number, so you will get minus 1. So x minus 1 is the answer. See again, the number is x, 1 is added, you will get x plus 1. Then you have to subtract 2. So x plus 1 minus 2. Remove the bracket, x plus 1 minus 2 will get. And 1 minus 2 means it is minus 1. So x minus 1 is the answer. From a number, subtract another and then add twice the subtracted number. Take the numbers are x, comma, y. Then that is the first. From a number, subtract another. So you take numbers to x and y. Then you have to subtract the second number. So x minus y you will get. Subtract the second number, you got x minus y. Then add twice the subtracted number. The subtracted number, take the double and subtract it. So double the subtracted number means it is 2y. This subtracted number you have to add it along with this number. So take the sum of these two numbers. So it is x minus y plus 2y. That is the first number. Then double the subtracted number. So x minus y plus 2y. So it is x minus y plus 2y. It means minus y plus 2y. So you have to subtract from 2 minus 1. So it is 1. You get x. Subtract from larger to smaller. So 2 minus 1 is 1. And take the sign as the higher number. So plus y. Minus y plus 2y. We can write as 2y minus y. So 2 minus 1 y. 2 minus 1 is 1. The answer is 1y. Okay, like this you have to do it. Minus y plus 2y. So it means 2y minus 1y. So you get 1y. So you got x plus y. Add to a number double of itself. Add to a number to double of itself. The number and double should be added. So take the number as x. Then if you double this number, you will get 2x. Then what you do? You have to add it. These two numbers should be added. So x plus 2x. What is x plus 2x? X means 1x. 1x plus 2x is 3x. Same variables you can add it. So you will get 3x as the answer. Take the number as x. Double the number means 2x. Then I have to add these two numbers. So x plus 2x. So same variables you can add it. You get the answer 3x. Add two consecutive natural numbers and find the number 1 less than this. Two consecutive natural numbers are added. Then you have to subtract 1. Consecutive means continuous numbers. So take two consecutive numbers. The previous questions we took x. So any alphabet you can take it. So two consecutive numbers n. I took one number as n. The next number means n plus 1 we can take. If it is 1, the next number is 2. So 1 should be added to this. So if we take n plus 1. Then what do you do? We have to add these two numbers. Take the sum of these two consecutive numbers. So n plus 1. First number and the second number should be added. So n plus 1. Same variable should be added. So you will get 2n plus 1. Then what do you do? From this sum you have to subtract 1. Subtract 1 from the sum of two consecutive numbers. So 1 should be subtracted from this one. So 2n plus 1 minus 1. So 1 should be subtracted from the sum of two consecutive numbers. So 2n plus 1 minus 1. We have to remove the bracket. You can see plus 1 and minus 1. Both will be cancelled. So the answer you will get 2n. So first take consecutive numbers as n and n plus 1. Then you have to take the sum of these two numbers. You will get 2n plus 1. And you have to subtract 1 from this number. So 2n plus 1 minus 1. So 2n plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled. The answer will get 2n. Add two consecutive odd numbers and subtract the even number in their middle. So two consecutive odd numbers, we have to add it. Then you have to subtract the even number in the middle. So you consider this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. In this, which are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5. These are the odd numbers. 2 and 4 are the even numbers. So write two consecutive odd numbers. Here first one is 1, next one is 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So 2 should be added with 1, you will get 3. 2 should be added again, you will get 5. So two consecutive odd numbers. You consider as one number as x. What is the next number? 2 should be added, then only you will get a consecutive odd number. So x and x plus 2 are the two numbers, two odd numbers, two continuous odd numbers. Then what you do? You have to take the sum of these two numbers, sum of two consecutive odd numbers is equal to x plus 2. So two numbers should be, two consecutive odd numbers are added. So x plus 2. Remove the bracket, and the same variable should be added together. You will get 2x plus x, 2x, 2x plus 2 you should get. Then again you have to subtract the even number in their middle. So the first number taken as x, the next odd number is x plus 2. What about this? These two are the odd numbers. In this middle you will get a even number. So how will you get this one? These are the two continuous numbers, natural numbers. So 1 should be added with this number. So these are the two odd numbers. X and x plus 2 are two odd numbers. And you have to subtract the even number in the middle. So 1, 3, 5 are the odd number. 2 and 4 are the even numbers. So from 1, if you add 2, you will get the next odd number. Then from 1, you should add 1, you will get the next even number. So you got the even number as x plus 1. So you have to subtract the even number in the middle of these two odd numbers. So these are the two odd numbers. The middle number is x plus 1, that is the even number. That should be subtracted from this number. So 2x plus 2 is the two consecutive odd numbers, sum of odd numbers. You have to subtract which one? X plus 1, you have to subtract it. That is the even number in the middle of the two consecutive odd numbers. So you will get 2x plus 2 minus x, minus into x, minus x, minus into plus 1, again it is minus 1. So same variable should be added or subtracted. So 2x and minus x. 2x minus x is, you can write like this. Same variable should be subtracted. The number should be subtracted. So 2x minus x. 2x minus 1x. That means x 1x you will get. Plus 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer you are getting x plus 1. So take two odd numbers x and x plus 2. Then take the sum of these two numbers. You will get 2x plus 2. Then what you have to do? You have to subtract the even number in the middle of the two odd numbers. So 2x plus 2 minus x plus 1. So 2x plus 2 we wrote. Then minus should be common for these two numbers. So minus into x, minus x. Minus into plus 1, it is minus 1. So 2x minus x plus 2 minus 1. Same variable should be subtracted or added. The number should be subtracted. So you will get x plus 1. To a number, add another and then add this sum to the first number. So take two numbers, then we have to take the sum of that numbers. Then from this sum you have to add the first number again. So take the numbers as x and y. Sum is equal to x plus y you got. Then what you do? From this sum you have to add again the first number. So from the sum from this sum you have to add it the first number. So x plus y plus x. X and x should be added. You will get 2x. 2x plus y is the answer. So take the two numbers, then take the sum of numbers. Then what you have to do? From this sum you have to add the first number again. So the sum should be x plus y. Then you have to add x. So you get x plus x, 2x, then y. Subtract 2 times a number from 5 times a number. Subtract 2 times a number from 5 times the number. Take the number as x. 2 times the number means how much? Take the double of this, 2x. 5 times the number means 5 times x. Then what do you do? Subtract these two. Subtract 2 times a number from 5 times a number. So 5x minus 2x. How much? 5 minus 2, it is 3. You will get the answer as 3x. So take the number as x. Take the 2 times the number as 2x. 5 times the number as 5x. Then what do you have to do? You have to subtract 2 times the number from the 5 times the number. So 5 times the number you have to subtract. 5x minus 2x. So 5 minus 2 is 3. The same variable should be subtracted. So you will get answer as 3x. Add 2 times a number with the 3 times the same number. 3 times the same number. So take the number as x. 2 times the number means 2x. 3 times the number means 3x. Then what do you do? You have to add these two sum. So sum is equal to 2 times the number and 3 times the same number should be added. So 2x plus 3x. How much? The answer is 5x. So take the number as x. 2 times the number means 2x. 3 times the number means 3x. Then the sum of 2x and 3x should be taken as 5x.